How to switch language on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily change language on the AliExpress app. The first thing you're going to have to do is you just have to open the AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So in this app, the language varies between your region, so it totally depends on the region that you're selecting. So for example, currently I'm selecting Germany. So if I just head over here and then tap on my language option, I have an option to change it to Dutch. But as you can see, along with the Dutch, there are other languages that people use in Germany. So you could just go ahead and click on the language option. So there are a lot of options, including French, Spanish, and many more. However, if I change my region to US, then I'm only able to select few languages like English or Spanish. So let me just select this. And if I go to the language option now, on the settings and then language, I only have English and Spanish. So that's how you basically change your language on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.